We're right outside the Justin Bieber concert. When you the crowds out here, there are several believers here right outside the DY Patil Stadium. They're queued up. This gate is about to open in a short while from now. But you see kids, you see their parents. It's really hot out here because it's more than 35-36 degrees. It's also humid because it's Mumbai. But let's just get a sense from people about what they have to say and how excited they are about this concert. Hi, are you a believer?
Yes, I'm a believer, and I've come here for waiting for 7 years. And
Waiting
finally,
for 7 years for Justin Bieber.
Of course.
My goodness. What does the mother have to say about that?
I'm just guiding them over here for their safety. That's all.
Okay, so you're sort of the bodyguard at this concert.
I have to be in this crowd.
bouncer.
And we are coming way long, and I cannot leave them all alone because while going, it is going to be too late in the night. So safety issues are there with the girls nowadays.
Okay,
I had to accompany them, on duress actually because I am not much into concerts and all. It makes me very tired.
Right.
But I had no choice. They practically gunpointed me over here.
Oh, so this mother has been brought at gunpoint by her children. So you guys stand guilty of, in a sense, forcing and coercing your mother.
Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry. Quoting Bieber there.
Yes.
I can see that. Lots of Bieber puns flying thick and fast. But also people have been looking forward to this concert for a while. This little kiddo here is right here. Let's talk to her. How big a believer are you?
I don't know, I just happened 2-3 years
Come
ago.
Come closer.
It just happened 2-3 years ago, so I really love Justin.
How old are you?
I'm 11.
Okay, you're 11 years old.
Yeah, 11.8.
11.8, soon to be 12.
Yeah.
Okay, and who's brought you here?
My Masi.
Your Masi is here.
Yeah,
Okay, so Masi is excited about the concert?
excited, feeling fever right now.
Oh my god, you're feverish. Is it the Bieber fever?
It's a Bieber fever, it's a Bombay fever also.
Do you know anything about Justin Bieber?
My daughter told me about Justin Bieber.
You know how old he is?
He's just, I think, 23 years.
Okay, that's correct.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know any of her songs?
Sorry.
Sorry, okay,
Yeah.
that's a good one actually.
It's a good one, right? Pretty good one.
Okay, and what else do you know about Justin Bieber?
Nothing else. Main thing is my daughter is die-hard fan of his.
Okay,
And this is what I'm feeling right now, very hot.
right. So this is, also lots of comments are pouring in. People are saying this is some sort of ladies' Sangeet. What do you guys have to say? How much of a believer are you? How much have you spent? How much are you spending to be here?
Spent 4,200.
How much?
4,200. Yeah.
4,200. And these are what tickets? Platinum, silver,
No,
gold?
they're general tickets, but
They're the channel.
we had to come anyhow to see his show, so
Right.
we did our best to come
Yeah.
during boards and everything.
Okay.
So-
Let me also give you a sense of the crowds. People want to get the best possible seat at this concert, and they're doing everything possible to get there. So people have been queuing right here outside the stadium since 8 in the morning, queuing outside ticket stands. It is a very electric and a charged atmosphere. Mostly youngsters who are accompanied by their parents. Hi guys, do you guys want to talk? Okay. Seems like the parents don't know about this, but let's also get a sense of how are you sort of keeping yourself cool? It's so hot. Okay, you have your share of soft drinks and everything to keep you cool, but how is it that you're going to max out on this, because you guys are spending so much money?
I don't know, dedication maybe.
Sorry?
Dedication to
No,
Justin
but
Bieber.
what is it that you plan to do? You plan to hang out here even after the concert?
Yeah,
Who are you
maybe.
looking forward to see besides Bieber? Yes, Bieber is the
Alan
main
Walker
attraction.
maybe. Alan Walker.
Alan Walker?
Yeah.
Okay, he's also somebody you're a fan of?
Not really. But
Not
then,
really?
yeah, I'm here for Justin Bieber.
Okay, you're saying you want to see Alan Walker, but you don't know whether you're his fan?
No.
Okay, that's confusing.
Yeah.
Okay, but what about you girls? Who are you going to sort of also tell about the fact that you're at this concert? There'll be lots of selfies being clicked, but I don't think nobody can get anywhere near Justin Bieber as far as selfie distance is concerned.
Yeah.
Why are you zooming on?
Okay. Clearly some people also don't want to be seen that they're here at the concert, but let's just also mingle with the crowds here and see what they have to say. I see a father at sight distance. Let me get him. Hi, you're here?
Yeah.
Where is your child?
My child is that kiddo one and that.
Okay.
Yeah. So this must be I think so, the first and last event in India where kids are taking participants with their parents.
Okay. So are you excited or not? Are you feeling that they're just getting dragged along with the kids?
No, not at all.
Right.
Like up to last night, I was not sure I will go with them.
Okay.
But looking at that excitement, let me take the chance also.
Right.
Like I will also
It's
be
a
part
working day.
Yes.
It's bang in the middle of the week.
Yes.
Have you taken a day off?
No, I said I'm a businessman and I have arranged something like last moment. And in fact, I attended one meeting in Chembur and I'm here.
Oh, okay, great. So all the best to you. Hope you have fun with your.
And we are
child.
very sure we are going to rock.
Oh, you are going to rock.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
great.
all
great.
of us.
Ma'am, can we just talk to you? We're live on NDTV on Facebook. Hi. What are you feeling? The gates are about to open. Anytime now.
We are excited, but we are so tired because we haven't slept in 3 days because of
Why?
the travel. I came from
You
Delhi.
should have been conserving your energy for the concert.
I came
There was
from
so much
Delhi.
excitement.
We went to the airport to see if we can catch him or not. Like our friends went to the airport. We went
So
to
you've been
Gateway of
stalking
India.
Bieber.
Yeah, we've been stalking.
They have
Bieber.
been stalking Bieber.
Yeah, and we have been here since half of my friends have been here since 6 a.m.
morning.
and
Oh
we
my
have been
God.
here since 10 a.m. We went for a snack, but we were in the at the first spot, and then we went for a snack, and now we are at the back because it's so houseful.
How has the arrangement been? Do you guys mind waiting out here in this heat?
Yeah, they could have provided some shelter though, but then we're fans, we can do anything.
Yeah,
You're believers.
Yeah, believers.
Believers.
Yeah, the
You guys look
lovers.
fairly old. How old are you guys?
21.
Oh, 21. Okay. Sorry. My bad.
Maybe it's the heat that makes
Okay, I think the gates are
Okay, the gates are opening here and you can see a general sense of commotion because these guys have been waiting outside here for a good 2.5 hours in this heat. This is the moment that they've been waiting for to let them inside the stadium where they'll grab the best possible seat to enjoy this concert. Enjoy yourself, guys. This
Thank you so
broadcast
much.
ends here. This is Anand Zanane signing off.